80% of people out there does not still know that we can now own a Stripe account even as a Nigerian. I mean, verified and actively working Stripe account. But one thing a lot of people don't know is that one Stripe account has its own unique identity, which means if you own a website, for example, or maybe you own a TikTok account, and that your TikTok account requires using a Stripe account to receive payment, then the Stripe account you are going to create for that TikTok account is going to be meant to work specifically for only that TikTok account. I made a video about one particular platform a few weeks ago, and that's Loyal AI. The video is going to be popping up at the top of this video now. If you haven't watched it, then you can go ahead and watch it. That video teaches how you can actually make money by training AI agents, right? So all you just have to do is record voices of yourself or put some things into written, record sounds of environment and things related to that, and they actually pay you for completing all those simple tasks. Okay. Now, what I want to drive out is that website requires owning a Stripe account to receive payment from it. And I'm going to be making use of that particular website to own a Stripe account for myself in this particular video. And you too can emulate that same process to own a Stripe account for yourself, even as a Nigerian or any other country you're watching from. Okay. If you open a Stripe account specifically for a website, it becomes useful for general purpose, which means you can now use it to do anything, receive payment from anywhere, and you can withdraw the payment from the Stripe account straight into your local bank account. So I'm going to be teaching you this for free. In return, I just need you to do one thing. Click the subscribe button. And there you go. This is the Lua AI request payouts page. I'm going to select the Stripe and then we're going to click on set up Stripe. Okay. Like I said, if you want to create an account, go ahead and watch the video that I have added in the comment section. So I'm going to put in my full name over here and then I'm going to click on connect with Stripe down below. Okay. We are going to wait patiently for the next page that follows. And from that next page, that is where we are going to be prompted to create our Stripe account. The process is quite easy. Put in your email address here and continue. Then on the next page, you are going to be prompted to put in your phone number using your country's code. Okay, so I'm going to select my country's code and then I'm going to put in the phone number and click submit. They are going to send the verification code into the phone number. You just need to receive it and put it in right here, and the continuation is going to be done automatically. And on the next page, they are going to request whether you are a business or sole proprietorship or a company or a non-profit organization. I'm just going to select individual and then I'm going to hit continue. So right on this page is where they're going to request for your personal details, like your full legal name. Put in your first name, and next you're going to put in your last name. So next they're going to request for your date of birth. Okay, so you just need to put it in just the way they've requested for it, month, day, and date. After everything, you're going to be prompted to put in your additional information and then your account details to receive payments. So your bank Swift code, you need to go to Google and search for it. Okay, so if you don't know your bank Swift code, just go to Google and search. Let's say I want to use Access Bank. I'm just going to search. So to get my bank information, this is where my gray account actually comes in. So I'm going to be getting my pounds account. Okay, so if the pounds account does not work, then I'm going to be using the US dollars account. The pounds account doesn't work, so right now I'm going to be getting the dollars account, which is what you can see here. So I'm just going to copy the account number and everything. So you are going to get all the information that you need on gray. If you don't have a gray account, then this is high time you go and create your own gray account. Okay, so I'm basically going to input everything about the account on this section, and once we're done with that, we can now click on agree and submit below that section. So apparently I used my Access Bank account right now. As a matter of fact, you can use your normal bank account, like your normal local bank account. Okay, so just make sure you get the Swift code correctly. And now that the account is successfully created and we've linked our bank and everything, you can see that the payment has now been updated. I mean, the payment info has now been updated on my Loyal AI platform. And of course, you know that that Stripe account is now very useful for general purposes. I believe this video was a helpful one. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below the video and make sure you hit the like button as well so YouTube can suggest the video out to more audience. By subscribing to this channel, I'm going to see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.